Welcome to this Passive Income System 2.0 review for 2026. We will be exploring whether this system truly works for beginners. Here is a look at the product we are reviewing, Passive Income System 2.0. If you have ever wondered whether Passive Income System 2.0 really works, this honest review will break it down for you. I will show you exactly what it teaches, who it is for, and whether it is worth your time. We are digital trust reviewers. We provide honest reviews with no hype and real analysis. This is our official logo for Digital Trust Reviews. We focus on honest reviews. No exaggerated promises, no fake claims, just real insights. Why do most beginners fail online? It's often due to fake promises, confusing multiple courses, and a lack of clear guidance. Other common reasons include endless YouTube tutorials with no results and the, quote, shiny object syndrome. Most beginners fail not because they are lazy, but because the programs they follow overpromise and underdeliver. If you are tired of that, this review is for you. Does this sound familiar? Have you bought online courses before, watched countless tutorials, and are you still struggling to earn? If that is your story, you are not alone. That is exactly why programs like Passive Income System 2.0 exist, to give beginners a real, structured path to online income. So what exactly is Passive Income System 2.0? It is a beginner-friendly online income training course. Passive Income System 2.0 is an online course designed to teach beginners how to create a solid online income system. It focuses on teaching step-by-step strategies that actually work. The system promises step-by-step online income guidance, beginner-friendly methods, and a clear, structured approach. It focuses on long-term results, not shortcuts, and provides practical applications for real-world online income. According to the creators, it is designed for beginners who want clarity and a real roadmap, not hype. Inside the system, you learn about online income foundations and traffic basics and strategies. The course also covers different income models and how they work together, along with simple automation techniques. Instead of one magic trick, the course teaches multiple income models, combined in a way that beginners can understand and apply. Here is how Passive Income System 2.0 works. First, you learn the online income foundations. Second, you choose a suitable model. Third, you build consistency over time. And fourth, you gradually scale your system. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. The focus is consistency, application, and building real skills, exactly what beginners need. What makes it stand out is its lack of unrealistic promises and its focus on education, not hype. It offers structured learning for beginners and works globally, not just in specific regions. Many programs fail because they sell dreams. Passive Income System 2.0 focuses on teaching skills, not quick money. What do I like about it? It has clear structure and guidance, and the content is beginner-friendly. There is no hype and no fake screenshots, and the methods are applicable worldwide. For beginners who want clarity, this is a huge advantage. What don't I like? It requires effort and patience, and it is not for instant result seekers. It is also not for people who hate learning or taking action. If you are expecting instant success without effort, this is not the right program for you. But if you are willing to learn, it is very practical. Who is this system for? It is for complete beginners in online income and people seeking structured guidance. It is also for those willing to apply what they learn and anyone looking for honest educational training. This course is perfect for beginners who want a clear roadmap without false promises. Who should avoid it? People looking for instant money, those unwilling to take action, and anyone who hates learning new skills. No course will help someone who does not apply the lessons. Passive Income System 2.0 is best for learners who take action. Regarding social proof and testimonials, real students mention clarity and practical steps. Beginners appreciate the structured approach. Reviews from users confirm that it is easy to follow, beginner-friendly, and educationally solid. The honest verdict, with no hype, is that this is a practical, honest system, but not a magic solution. It is ideal for beginners who want structured guidance. Passive Income System 2.0 is not perfect, but in the online money-making education space, it stands out for its honest approach. We are digital trust reviewers, committed to honest reviews, no hype, and real analysis. We are digital trust reviewers. Subscribe for more honest, no-hype product reviews just like this video. Want to check out Passive Income System 2.0? The link is in the description below. If you want to explore Passive Income System 2.0 yourself, check the link in the description. Remember, results vary, but the knowledge is real.